Hello guys, welcome back to Pick the Best Ones. In this video we are going to check out the best kitchen torches. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 5, we have the Tintec Culinary Blow Torch Chef Cooking Torch with Safety Lock. Optimum performance and stability are some of the amazing attributes of this culinary blow torch from Tintec. It adopts aluminum alloy shell that is covered by ABS plastic handle, making it durable. Moreover, this cooking torch has security lock that will prevent any accidental ignition. Other than that, it has a wide set base that will prevent this item from tipping. The best thing about this culinary blow torch is that it is versatile and can be used in soldering DIY jewelry, caramelizing food, camping, barbecuing, or as a survival tool. Above all, it is easy to use and portable. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Chefman Culinary Torch Cooking Kitchen Blow Torch, Black. This cooking torch lets you create amazing desserts and foods. It is a specialized culinary torch that will upgrade your cooking skills and can also be used for igniting cigars, welding, soldering, and DIY jewelry making as well. Ideally, this blow torch has adjustable flame intensity and size, producing temperatures up to 2500 degrees F for professional level cooking. In addition to that, the body of this torch is made of aluminum alloy for durability. This kitchen blow torch has a tank capacity of 30 milliliters and it is refillable with standard butane gas. Ordinarily, this unit features a safety lock to prevent accidental igniting. Comes with a year hassle-free warranty, thus you can buy it worry-free. At number 3, we have the Spicy Dew Blow Creme Brulee Torch with adjustable flame. With intuitive controls, ergonomic design and sleek look, Spicy Dew have made a masterpiece with this Brulee culinary torch. It is a multi-purpose tool for outdoor and indoor use. Thanks to its extreme durability and high burning temperature of up to 2372 degrees Fahrenheit. It is not only used for cooking, but also for jewelry making, welding, soldering, dabbing, and various art and craft applications. Featuring an adjustable flame knob, you will be able to adjust the intensity of the flames depending on your needs. Unlike other cheap torches, this one is well made, using heavy-duty metal and sturdy base to prevent falling over whenever you set it down. At number 2, we have the joshef Kitchen Torch Refillable Butane Blow Torch. joshef Kitchen Torch is a reliable and efficient kitchen torch that is crafted out of professional-grade materials, making it safe and easy to use. It features an adjustable flame temperature of up to 2500 degrees Fahrenheit, thus you can use it to roast peppers, sear brown brulee and meats to perfection. Besides that, it has an adjustable flame and multiple safety locks function, making it safe to use. This kitchen torch is more than just a kitchen appliance, as you can use it in processing jewelry, welding small plastics, and other DIY projects around the house. Its nozzle is highly angled to allow the flames to stay away from your hands. And finally, at number 1, we have the Ideacan Alloy Color Culinary Torch Butane Torch. Ideacan has created this amazing torch that has a compact design, giving you portability and grip you need. It also features ignition security lock design that assists in the hindrance of high-temp frames that may result from tipping. You will also understand that this butane torch will allow adjustment of different flame sizes, small or large flames for different uses. You just need to use rotary knob and adjust accordingly depending on your needs. The torch flame nozzle is constructed by alloy that will sustain high temperatures, and when it is on usage, there is no burn no matter how many times you will use it. In short, it has 8 to 10 grams butane gas capacity, allowing you to use it for a long time. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.